something sexy. This girl is gonna freak me. There's a meeting in my bedroom. She say it's going down soon. Slip on something sexy. This girl is gonna freak me.
Man, she bootylicious, acts her name, she say delicious. Man, I had to stop and pause. Her ass so fat it was eating them draws. I gave her an invite, told her make 2 lefts and go and make 2 right. These are the things I wanna achieve. I do you and you do me. Now we got this frequency. I grab her, her weed. All I do is turn it up, roll her ass over, bustin' up. Yeah, I miss the seafood. You can call me Dark Fate. This is my spaceship. Gonna take the elevator. Rubber stretch marks, tattoos and bullet wounds. Black, white, light, avatar from the moon. No gas in my ride, but I'ma slide right through ya. These are the things a nigga wanna do to ya. Grab you by the hair, slam the wall and beat it up. Introduce you to my niggas called these nuts. Made a Hennessy, now ladies Bud Light. You know my favorite line, girl, gonna spend the night. Gonna spend the night. Spend the night. Spend the night.
This bitch is so bad. She walking like she talking. It's a party in my bedroom with just a camera watching. Baby looks hot, her eyes so sedated. Tattoo on her ass, say nigga, yeah, you made it. Baby's 5'5", she's thick in the thighs. Man, she got the shape and she got the apple pies. Not much to my surprise, she look deep in my eyes. Laid me on my back and said she wanna take a ride. This is my jungle, I am the beast. King Kong ain't got nothing on me.
Yeah, we bring you the hits. You're listening to the C-Word Hour. And right now, you're getting sounds courtesy of C-Word. Oh God. There's a meeting in my bedroom, baby. And we coming down off that spaceship. Coming down with some of that explicit shit. You motherfuckers stay tuned.